Ukhomishana wezokuhluhlunyeliswa kwezimilo KwaZulu-Natal kumnumzana uMnikelwa Nxele uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseMgungundlovu namhlanje ekuseni ngamacala okukhwabanisa nokushushumbisa imali ehlobene nezinsolo zenkohlakalo ethinta izinkontileka zeBosasa. Leli cala lisusela ezinsolweni ezavela ngesikhathi se-State Capture Commission lapha abaphenyi bethi uNxele wathola intshontsho lemali elilinganiselwa ku-R100,000 wamarandi nyanga zonke ngesikhathi engusihlalo wekomidi eliyisipesheli lokwahlulela esifundazweni. Investigating Directorate Against Corruption ithi izimali zihanjiswe ngenye indlela ukuze kufihlwe umsuka wazo futhi zasetshenziswa ukuthola izakhiwo kanye nokuxhasa ngezimali imisebenzi yokugembula. uNxele ubesenikezwe ibheyili ka-R50,000 wamarandi. Icala labe selihlehliselwa umhlazi yi-16 kuMandulo ukuze kuqhutshekwe nokuqulwa kwamacala.
The KZN Regional Commissioner of the Department of Correctional Services, Mnikelwa Nxele, appeared before the Pietermaritzburg Magistrates Court on charges of fraud and money laundering. His matter was subsequently postponed to 16 September 2026 for the outcome of the application of a centralization certificate with the Office of the National Director of Public Prosecutions. The court granted him 50,000 rand bail with stringent conditions attached. This matter was referred to IDEC by the DPCI following the evidence that was presented by Angelo Agrizi to the State Capture Commission in relation to the alleged corruption activities between Bosasa and the Department of Correctional Services. At the time, Nxele was the chairperson of the Special Bid Adjudication Committee, which presided over the awarding of contracts.